Welcome to this video. Today we are going to look at a classic coding interview problem, the balanced brackets problem. This problem is simple to understand but really powerful for practicing data structures. So what is the problem? We are given a string with all sorts of brackets in it and we need to check if the brackets are balanced. What are the conditions? Every opening bracket has to have a matching closing bracket. They should appear in the correct order, which means the last opened bracket should close first. No closing bracket comes before its opening partner. At the end, nothing is left unmatched. We will get into the logic of this. What we will do is we will initialize an empty stack, loop through each character of the input string. The input string will have like this, all sorts of brackets it will have. So if it is an opening bracket, what we'll do is we'll push it into the stack. If it is a closing bracket, we will check if the top element of the stack is matching with the opening bracket. If it matches, we will pop it from the stack, which means we will remove it from the stack. If it doesn't match, which means the string is having unbalanced, not a balanced brackets string, and we return false. When the loop ends, we will check if the stack is empty. If it is empty, it means it is balanced. If not, if the stack still has items, it means it is not a balanced brackets string. We'll see an example. If we get this string, what we'll do is whenever the opening bracket comes, we'll push it to the stack. This is opening brackets, this also is opening, this also is opening. So the stack has 3 items. When the closing bracket comes, we'll check whether it matches with the top item. Yes, it matches. So we pop it up. Now the stack will have only 2 items. Again, next thing will have this closing square brackets. Again, this is matched with this opening, there is top level item that is popped up. Again, the last thing is closing curly braces. Again, this is matched with this. So popping happens. So stack is empty, which means the given string is having balanced bracket. We will see in another example where the string doesn't have a balanced bracket. So whenever the opening bracket comes, we'll push it to the stack. When the closing curly braces comes, it doesn't match with the top level element of the stack. So we return false, which means the given string doesn't have a balanced bracket. We will see the code implementation of this logic. The next slide. So we have stack initialized to be empty array. So we have a pair dictionary which has all closing and opening braces as key and value pairs. So we check each character in the string. And if it is opening bracket, we add it to the stack. If it is a closing bracket, we check whether this matches with the top level item of the stack. If it doesn't match, we return false. Otherwise, we do a pop operation. After the loop ends, we check whether the stack length is 0. If it is 0, it is balanced. So this is all the string we pass. For this, it returns 2. For this, since it is not balanced, it returns false. These are all the other examples of it. Hope this logic is clear and it is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.